if I would have feared failure, then we would not be here. So if I would have feared कि एटा काम करिबनी लोक जज करिवे मु केमती कहूची, this is my learning point. I'm a fresher now, okay, in this field. So always you have to be a beginner. Always you have to begin somewhere. You will fail, but then you need to learn from that failure and not judge yourself based on लोग क्या कहेंगे. You have to forget what people think. I have this resilience formula, which is called, first one is acceptance. So accept what happened, what is the real problem, and what are the things in your control. Write down what is the things in your control. And then ask for support, ask for help. Always do not fear to ask for help. Like LinkedIn re bhi ho ki cold email. So there are so many ways, so you can just write down and then ask for help ki and also to your mentors wherever you are working. Nobody jette bhi 30 markhan loko heithantu, they are not built by their own. They are built by mentors. They are built by people who give them feedback. So you need to ask for support, like a faculty, counselor, friend, mentor, family, alumni, whatever it is. And then take action. And action does not need to be very dramatic. Action can be a small step. Like you are meeting somebody, you are applying for a certain job again, you are seeking help, you are, there are so many smaller steps that you can take action. Resilience is built through repeated recovery. So I don't know if I don't have this book here. I always write this affirmation about my son, that I am raising a kind, physically, mentally strong, and resilient child. If your child, or I don't know if your parents, but for me, it's like if a person is not resilient, then it's very difficult to move ahead, because life will never be a straight line or just upward. You will always have dips, and the people who know how to recover from that dips and what they need to do to recover from the dips is always the right person, and also with the right mindset, not like a complaining mindset, ये मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों हुआ, मु एटा एमती कहेंगे, मो सांगरे ही एमती कहेंगे भगवान करचोंदी. These lines you should remove from your dictionary.